Hey guys, MP here, back again with another video, and today I'm going to be opening 2 Pro Packs for you guys. I have 18K, that's all I can make for you guys. So, we're going to start it off. So we get, and our gold is going to be a 75 Akeem Hicks. That's amazing. Jesus Christ. Tap the middle. Nose. Fuck. As we get 2 golds, guys. It's garbage. Fucking shit. But I actually just got this collectible. Ray. Sorry about that, guys. Ray. Okay, I'm gonna see how much it goes for. Knit. I don't know. Range kit. Legendary. 10K. Let's see if anything goes for 10K. Oh man, that legendary collectible goes for nothing. Please don't tell me it goes for 5K. Okay, good. 7.5K, so Pro Pack. So it goes for about 10K. So I'm gonna go and sell it. She's up. Put it up for, actually I'm gonna put it up for 9.5K. So I get the money fast. And I'm gonna put these golds up for, okay, 1 second. I just need to check the prices of golds today. 3K. Okay, so they're selling for about 2.5K, so 2.5K. Four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh man. Okay, I'm just gonna go out and buy a silver so I can do the 6 trophy pack and see what we get. 5,000. Come on. Oh. Hey! Sorry guys. That was my Dumbo friend. I'm just gonna open a 6 trophy pack. Okay. See where we get. Hopefully we get some gold trophies. As we don't get any gold trophies. That sucks. Okay. Just gonna put that in there. Still need 4 more gold trophies. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. I'll see you soon and have a good day.